Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. I will be posting videos regularly on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths and do like, comment and share the videos with your friends. To score good marks in maths exam, solving previous year's questions is very important and is must. So today we will be solving important previous year's questions from the chapter Trigonometry. And our target is to score full marks in the board exams. So let's get started. Before discussing or solving the questions, this is the formula sheet. If you want, you can take the screenshot or a printout. So please be ready with the formula sheet so that it will be easy for you to solve the questions. So let us solve the first question. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 0, then find the value of theta. So what is given? Given is root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 0. Okay. See here, root 3, I can write it as root 3 sin theta is equals to cos theta. Okay, I'm just sending this cos theta to RHS. Root 3 sin theta by cos theta. I'm just getting this cos theta to LHS. This will be 1. I'm just sending this root 3 to RHS. Sin theta by cos theta. I'm just sending this root 3 to RHS. That will be 1 by root 3. Okay. Now what is sin theta by cos theta? That is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. And what is the value of 1 by root 3 in terms of tan? It is tan 30 degrees. Right? From here we can say theta is equals to 30 degrees. Okay. Now let us see the next question. If A cot theta plus B cosecant theta is equals to P and B cot theta plus A cosecant theta is equals to Q, then we need to find P square minus Q square. So we need to find P square minus Q square. Okay. So what is P? P is A cot theta plus B cosecant theta whole square. We are doing P square. Okay. Minus Q is B cot theta plus A cosecant theta whole square. This is in the form of A plus B whole square, which is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, which is A square cot square theta plus B square cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. Okay. Minus, this is also in the form of A plus B whole square. So, B square cot square theta plus A square cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta. Okay. Now let us remove the brackets. This will be A square cot square theta plus B square cosecant square theta plus 2AB cot theta cosecant theta minus, this is minus B square cot square theta minus b square cot square theta minus into pluses minus a square cosecant square theta minus into pluses minus 2ab cot theta cosecant theta. Okay. Now see here 2ab cot theta cosecant theta and minus 2ab cot theta cosecant theta will get cancelled. Okay. Let us take cot square theta common. Okay. So if you take cot square theta common, you will get a square minus b square. Okay. A square minus b square. If you take cosecant square theta common, the remaining is b square minus a square. See, if you see these both, here we have a square minus b square. Here you have b square minus a square, right? So if you want to do this b square minus a square, let us take minus common here. Okay. So if you take minus common, this will be cot square theta b square minus a square plus cosecant square theta b square minus a square. Okay. Now you have b square minus a square, b square minus a square. Let us take that common. If you take b square minus a square, you will have cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Okay. So we have an identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Okay. So the answer will be b square minus a square. Okay. So the answer is B. So let us solve the next question. Given that cos square theta minus sin square theta is 3 by 4. Then we need to find cos theta. So what is given? Given is cos square theta minus sin square theta is equals to 3 by 4. Cos square theta minus, see here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, is equals to 3 by 4. Now I am just removing the brackets. Cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta is equals to 3 by 4, which is 2 cos square theta minus 1 is equals to 3 by 4. So 2 cos square theta is equals to, I am just sending this minus 1 to RHS, 3 by 4 plus 1. So this becomes 2 cos square theta is equals to 3 plus 4 by 4 is equals to 7 by 4. Okay. So now cos square theta is equals to 7 by 4 into 2. I am just sending this 2 to the RHS. Okay. So this becomes 7 by 8. Okay. Now if I want only cos theta, because we need to find cos theta. Okay. So if I want only cos theta, this becomes square root of 7 by 8. So I am just individually dividing the roots, which is root 7 by root 8. D is the answer. So let us solve the next question. If secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P, then tan theta is equals to. With secant theta and tan theta, we have an identity, right? What is that identity? That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, right? This is the identity we have. So secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta. is equals to 1. Yes, but they have given us secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P. Okay, now put secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P here. So that will be secant theta minus tan theta into P is equals to 1. If I want only secant theta minus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta, that will be 1 by P. Okay, secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P will be your equation 1, and secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by P will be your equation number 2. So they asked us to find tan theta. Okay, so when you add 1 and 2, tan will get cancelled, right? So you will get secant theta. Okay, so we will subtract 1 and 2, 1 minus 2. So that secant will get cancelled, you will get tan theta. Okay, 1 minus 2 is, you will get 2 tan theta is equals to P minus 1 by P. So 2 tan theta is equals to, if you take an LCM here, P square minus 1 by P. If I want only tan theta, that is P square minus 1 by 2P. So tan theta value is P square minus 1 by 2P. B is the answer. So let us solve the next question. In triangle ABC, write angle at B. Sin A is equals to 7 by 25. Then find the value of cos C. If this is the right angle triangle, it is angled at B. Okay, this is A and this is C. They have given us sin A is equals to 7 by 25. We know that sin A is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. From the diagram, this is the angle, right? This is the angle A. So angle opposite will be perpendicular and this will be the hypotenuse. So this is 7, this is 7 and this is 25. Okay, let us find the value of cos C. So this is the angle at C. And C is the angle, this will be the base, right? So we already know this is 7. Okay, we already know this is 7 and hypotenuse is 25 because cos C is nothing but base by hypotenuse. We already have those values, which is 7 by 25. Okay, so cos C value is 7 by 25. A is the answer. So let us solve the next question. If x is equals to 2 sin square theta and y is equals to 2 cos square theta plus 1, then find the value of x plus y. Okay, we need to find the value of x plus y. What is x they have given? It is 2 sin square theta plus y is 2 cos square theta plus 1. So from 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta, I can take 2 common, right? So you will get the remaining is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, plus 1. So we have an identity, sin square theta and cos square theta is 1. So 2 into 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So 3 is the answer. See the next question. In the triangle ABC, x is to y is equals to 1 is to 2. Find the value of tan x. So this is a right angle triangle angled at B. So we need to find the value of tan x. Okay. So they have given us x and y values, that is 1 and 2. If we assume x is equals to a, then y will be 2a. Now we know that sum of the angles is 180 degrees. x plus y plus 90 degrees, because this is 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So a plus 2a plus 90 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, 3a is equals to 180 minus 90. 3a is equals to 90 degrees. A will be 90 by 3, which is 30 degrees. Okay, you will get A is equals to 30 degrees. When you get A is equals to 30 degrees, what is A here? A is x. So you will get x is equals to 30 degrees. When you get x is equals to 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees will be 1 by root 3. Yes, so A will be the answer. So let us see the next question. Tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2. Then find the value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Okay, so the given is tan theta plus cot theta is equals to 2. So see here, tan theta plus cot can be written as 1 by tan theta. Yes, is equals to 2. Now take the LCM. This will be tan theta here. Here you will get tan square theta plus 1 is equals to 2. The numerator will be same. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to, I am just cross multiplying it. This will be 2 tan theta. Now I am getting this RHS to the LHS. This will be tan square theta plus 1 minus 2 tan theta is equals to 0. See, now if you see this, tan square theta minus 2 tan theta plus 1 is in the form of a minus b whole square. Yes, correct? So this can be written as tan theta minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. So you will get tan theta is equals to 1. What is the value of 1 in terms of tan? Which is 45, right? Which is tan 45. So when you compare it, you will get theta is equals to 45 degrees. Okay. Now substitute the values in this. So what is sine 45? Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2 whole cube plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole cube. So this becomes 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So when you take the LCM, you will get 2 root 2. Here you will get 1 plus 1. So which is 2 by 2 root 2. Which is 2 will get cancelled. Here you will get 1 by root 2. So if you see here in the options, do you have 1 by root 2? In the options, do you have 1 by root 2? No, we do not have 1 by root 2. So let us rationalize root 2 by root 2. So if you rationalize, this will be root 2 by 2. So root 2 by 2 is the answer. Okay. So let us solve the next question. Simplify 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Okay. So if you see this 1 plus tan square theta. See, from the identities you have 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. Right? You have this from the identities. And if you see here 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta. This is like a minus b and a plus b. Okay. So a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay. So 1 plus tan square theta, I am writing it as secant square theta. Secant square theta into this, I am writing it as a square minus b square, which is 1 minus sine square theta. Now if you see this, again 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta will be cos square theta. So secant square theta will be same into 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Secant square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta, because secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Okay. Now here also the numerator will be same, cos square theta. Cos square theta will get cancelled. This is 1. Okay. So let us solve the next question. If sine theta plus cos theta is equals to root 2 cos theta, find the value of tan theta. So we need to find the value of tan theta. They have given us in sines and cos, right? So they have given us in terms of sine and cos. Yes. So if you want tan theta, if we just divide sine by cos, we will get tan theta. Right? With cos theta on both sides. Sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta is equals to root 2 cos theta by cos theta. Okay. So cos theta will get cancelled. Cos theta will get cancelled. Okay. This will be 1. Okay. So sin theta by cos theta will be tan theta. Tan theta plus 1 is equals to, here you have root 2. So if I want only tan theta, because we need to find the value of tan theta. Okay. If I want only tan theta, that will be tan theta is equals to root 2 minus 1. So this is the value of tan theta. Okay. So let us see the next question. Given that sine alpha is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos beta is equals to 0, then find the value of beta minus alpha. So what is given? Given is sine alpha is equals to root 3 by 2. What is the value of root 3 by 2 in terms of sine? It is sine 60 degrees. Yes. So from here we can say alpha is equals to 60 degrees. So in the same way, cos beta is equals to 0. So what is the value of 0 in terms of cos? It is cos 90 degrees is 0. Yes. Now from here we can say beta is equals to 90 degrees. Now we have to find the value of beta minus alpha. So that is beta minus alpha is equals to 90 degrees minus 60 degrees is equals to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is the answer, which is D. So let us see the next question. Simplest form of 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equals to, see here 1 plus tan square A can be written as, we have an identity. Yes, secant square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. Okay, so 1 plus tan square A can be written as secant square A. Okay, divided by, in the same way, cosecant square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Okay, so 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosecant square A. See here, secant can be written as, secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Okay, so secant I am writing it as 1 by cos square A. Okay, now cosecant can be written as, cosecant A can be written as 1 by sine A. Yes, so this is 1 by sine A, right? So I'm just sending it sine to the numerator. This becomes sine square A by 1. This is sine square A by cos square A, which is tan squaring. Okay. So let us see the next question. If tan A is equals to 1, then we need to find 2 sine A cos A. Okay. So the given is tan A is equals to 1. What is 1 in terms of tan? It is tan 45. Yes, tan 45 is 1. Correct? So from here we can say A is 45. Okay. Now we need to find 2 sine A cos A. We know the value of A, that is 45, which is 2 sine 45 degrees cos 45 degrees. That is 2 into sine 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2, which is 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled, which is 1. 1 is the answer. Okay. So let us see the next question. The value of sine square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta. So see here, sine square theta plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta is your secant square theta. Yes, because secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. This is an identity we have. Okay. So this is sine square theta is equals to 1 by secant square theta is your cos theta. Okay. Cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. Right. This is sine theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now this is also an identity. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Right. So 1 is the answer. Now let us see the next one. Simplest form of 1 minus cos square A into 1 plus cot square A. So see here, 1 minus cos square A can be written as sine square A. Yes, from the identity, we know that sine square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. So from here, if you want sine square A, we will send 1 cos to RHS, which is 1 minus cos square A, right? Into, see, 1 plus cot square A. 1 plus cot square A is nothing but cosecant square A. Okay. So, cosecant square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Again from here, sine square A is same into, so cosecant square A can be written as cosecant A is equals to 1 by sine A. Okay. So, it is 1 by sine square A. So, sine square A will get cancelled, which is 1. 1 is the answer. So, let us solve the next question. Write the value of sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees. So, what is the value of sine 30? It is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, which is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. You will get 2 by 4, which is 1 and 2. The answer is 1 by 2. Now let us see the next question. If sin x plus cos y is equals to 1, x is equals to 30 degrees and y is an acute angle, find the value of y. So what is given? Given is sin x plus cos y is equals to 1. They have given us x is equals to 30 degrees. That is sin x is 30 degrees. Sin 30 plus cos y is equals to 1. So what is sin 30? That is 1 by 2 plus cos y is equals to 1. So cos y is equals to 1 minus, I am just sending this 1 by 2 to RHS, which becomes 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So cos y is equals to 1 by 2. So what is the value of 1 by 2 in terms of cos? It is cos 60 degrees, right? So from here we can say y is equals to 60 degrees. Okay, the value of y is 60 degrees. Clear? Let us solve the next question. Prove that 1 plus cot square alpha by 1 plus cosecant alpha is equals to cosecant alpha. So we will take LHS and we will prove it to RHS. Okay. So let us take LHS first. LHS is equals to 1 plus, if you see here, this is cot square alpha. We have an identity cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. From here, if you want cot square theta, we can get cot square theta is equals to cosecant square theta minus 1. Just put cot square alpha is equals to cosecant square alpha minus 1 in the place of cot square alpha, which is cosecant square alpha minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosecant alpha. Okay. So if you see the numerator, cosecant square alpha minus 1, I can write it as 1 square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Yes, now write it. 1 plus cosecant alpha plus 1 into cosecant alpha minus 1 divided by 1 plus cosecant alpha. Okay. So see here, 1 cosecant alpha plus 1 and cosecant alpha plus 1 will get cancelled. Okay. You are left with 1 plus cosecant alpha minus 1. Okay. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. So cosecant alpha. So you are left with cosecant alpha. So this is what is the RHS. This is RHS. This is what we need to prove. So let us solve the next question. If 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A is equals to 3 by 4, find the value of secant A. Given is 1 plus cos A (1 minus cos A) is equals to 3 by 4. Okay. So if you see this, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. Okay. So I can write it as A square minus B square. 1 minus cos square A is equals to 3 by 4. So we will just get 3 by 4 to LHS and we will send cos square A to RHS. 1 minus 3 by 4 is equals to cos square A. So you will get cos square A is equals to 1 by 4. See, cos square A is equals to 1 by 4. We need to find secant A. Secant square A is equals to 1 by cos square A. Okay. Now if I want secant square A, it will be 1 by cos square A, which is 1 by 4. You will get 4. Okay. But we need to find secant A. So secant A will be root 4, which is plus or minus 2. Okay. So the value of secant A is plus or minus 2. Let us solve the next question. Show that tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay. Tan power 4 plus tan square theta is equals to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Okay. So let us take LHS and prove it to RHS. Okay. So what is LHS? LHS is tan power 4 theta plus tan square theta. So from here I can take tan square theta common, right? Okay. So let us take tan square theta common. If you take tan square theta common, you will get tan square theta plus 1. Okay. Now if you see this tan square theta plus 1, we can see an identity. Yes, what is the identity? Secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. This is the identity we have. See here, I also have tan square theta, right? So if I want tan square theta, I can also write it as tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. I will get this plus 1 to LHS, which becomes minus 1. Okay. So tan square theta will be secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. Secant square theta. Now multiply them. This will be minus secant square theta. So this is what we need to prove in the RHS, right? This is our RHS. Hence proved. Let us solve the next question. Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equals to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So we need to prove LHS is equals to RHS. So let us take the LHS first. LHS is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Okay. So we need to prove 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So you will be getting these type of questions in your board exam. So see the RHS. We need to prove 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So you have tan theta here. Yes. Now we will divide the whole LHS numerator and denominator with, if you want tan theta, you will divide it with cos theta, right? Because sin by cos will be tan theta, right? So you will divide with cos theta. See here, you will get sin by cos is your tan theta. Okay, minus cos and cos will get cancelled, minus 1, and 1 by cos is secant theta plus secant theta divided by cos and cos will get cancelled, which is 1 plus sin by cos is tan theta minus 1 by cos is secant theta. So I am writing tan and secant together, okay, which is tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by, I am writing the denominator same, 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Okay. So if you see this, you have 1 here, right? So do you have an identity with tan theta and secant theta? We have an identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Let us replace this 1 with secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. You will get tan theta plus secant theta minus secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. Divided by, this will be same, 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. If you see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. Right? I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Tan theta plus secant theta minus secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta divided by, this will be same. Okay. 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Okay. Now see here, I can take tan theta and secant theta common. Yes, because you have tan theta and secant theta here and you have tan theta and secant theta here. Yes, so I will take tan theta and secant theta common for these both. Okay. Tan theta plus secant theta common. If I take tan theta and secant theta common, you will have 1 minus secant theta plus tan theta. Yes, because I am just removing the brackets. See, minus secant theta is minus secant theta, minus into minus is plus tan theta. Okay, divided by 1 plus tan theta minus secant theta. Okay. So if you see the numerator and denominator, so we can cancel these both. Okay. We can cancel the numerator and the denominator. So we have got secant theta plus tan theta. Right. But we need to prove 1 by secant theta minus tan theta in the denominator. Yes. So for that, we will multiply with secant theta minus tan theta in the numerator and in the denominator. Secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. So this will be secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. This is secant square theta minus tan square theta is anyways 1, which is 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. Okay. 1 by secant theta minus tan theta. This is what we need to prove. Okay. Hence proved. So let us do the next problem. Prove that square of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A is equals to secant A plus tan A. So let us take the LHS first. We have square root of 1 plus sine A divided by 1 minus sine A. Okay. So if we want to remove the root, what we need to do, if we have square, we can cancel the roots, right? So to get the square, we will rationalize it. Okay. So you will get 1 plus sine A by 1 plus sine A. Okay. So this will be square root of 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A is 1 plus sine A whole square divided by, this will be 1 minus sine square A. I'll just divide the square root to the numerator and the denominator. 1 plus sine A whole square divided by root of 1 minus sine square A. Okay, here square and root will get cancelled. Sine A, this will be root of 1 minus sine square A is cos A. Okay, so I'm just dividing cos to the both the numerators, which is 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A, which is 1 by cos is secant. Secant A plus tan A. Sine by cos is tan A. Okay, this is what our RHS is. Hence proved. So let us solve the next question. Prove that sine theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sine theta is equals to 2 cosecant theta. So let us take LHS first. That is sine theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. Okay, now let us take LCM for these two. You will get sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. In the denominator, you have 1 plus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So you will multiply sine theta to this sine theta. You will get sine square theta. Plus you have sine theta here and you have 1 sine theta here. You will multiply this 1 plus cos theta to this 1 plus cos theta. Okay, which becomes 1 plus cos theta whole square. Okay, so which is sine square theta plus, here you will apply a plus b whole square, which is 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Okay, divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so if you see here, we have sine square theta and cos square theta. Okay, so I am just writing it beside sine square theta plus cos square theta plus I have 1 plus 2 sine square theta. Okay, by denominator is same, which is sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Yes, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you will get 1 plus 1 plus 2 cos square theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so actually see here, this is actually cos theta, 2 cos theta. Okay, this is also 2 cos theta. So which is 2 plus 2 cos theta divided by sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Okay, from here I can take 2 common. Okay, yes, I can take 2 common from here. You will get 1 plus cos theta. Okay, in the denominator, the denominator will be same, sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta will get cancelled. So you will have 2 by sine theta. So we know that 1 by sine theta is equals to cosecant theta. Okay, which is 2 into cosecant theta. This is our RHS. This is what we need to prove. Hence proved. So let us solve the next question. Prove that cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1 is equals to 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Let us take the LHS first. Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. So we have already solved this kind of question earlier. If you see the numerator, we have cot and cosecant. Yes, so we have an identity with cot and cosecant. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Yes, this is the identity we have. Let us change 1 to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, so see, cot theta plus cosecant theta will be same, minus 1 can be written as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, I am just writing 1 as cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Divided by denominator will be same. Cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. So this will be cot theta plus cosecant theta minus cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. So I can write it as a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So this will be cosecant theta minus cot theta into cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay. Divided by cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. So if you see here, we have cot theta plus cosecant theta and cot theta plus cosecant theta. Yes, so I can take cot theta plus cosecant theta common. Okay, cot theta plus cosecant theta, let us take common. If you take cot theta plus cosecant theta common, you will get 1 minus cosecant theta plus cot theta. Okay, divided by, in the denominator you will get cot theta minus cosecant theta plus 1. Okay, so if you see the numerator and the denominator, it is same. So we can cancel the numerator and denominator. So this will be cot theta plus cosecant theta. Okay. Now see here, cot theta can be written as cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay. And cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. If I take sin theta common, you will get 1 plus cos theta. Right? So this is what we need to prove in the RHS, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Okay. So this is your RHS. This is what we need to prove. Right? Therefore, proved. Okay. So let us solve the next question. Prove that sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Let us take the LHS. We have sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square. Let us apply a plus b whole square, which is sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta plus cosecant theta. Okay. Plus here also we'll apply a plus b whole square. So you will get cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta. Okay. So if you see this, you have sin square theta and cos square theta, right? So I am just writing it, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now see here, you have cosecant square theta and secant theta. Okay. So cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus, okay, this is into. This is 2 sin theta cosecant theta plus 2 cos theta secant theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. Plus, see, cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Cosecant square theta is 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. And secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Plus secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Okay. So sin will get cancelled, cos will get cancelled. So you will have, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which is 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So this is what we need to prove in the RHS, right? This is our RHS. Therefore, proved. Okay, clear? Now let us solve the next question. Prove that 1 plus cot A minus cosecant A into 1 plus tan A plus secant A is equals to 2. So let us take LHS and prove it to RHS. Okay. So 1 plus, see here, cot A can be written as cos A by sin A. Yes, cos by sin is cot. Minus cosecant A can be written as 1 by sin A. Okay. Into 1 plus tan can be written as sin by cos. So sin A by cos A. Plus secant A can be written as 1 by cos A. Okay. So let us take the LCM for these both. Sin A will be the denominator. You will get sin A plus cos A minus 1. Okay. Let us take the LCM here, which is cos A. In the numerator, you will get cos A plus sin A plus 1. See, if you see the numerator, this is in the form of A minus B and A plus B. I can write it as A square minus B square. So this will be sin A plus cos A whole square minus 1 square divided by sin A cos A. Now this is in the form of A plus B whole square. Okay, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. So this will be sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 into sin A cos A minus 1 divided by sin A cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus 2 sin A cos A minus 1 divided by sin A cos A. Okay. So 1 and 1 will get cancelled again, which is 2 sin A cos A divided by sin A cos A. Sin A cos A will get cancelled, which is the answer is 2. So this is what we need to prove in the RHS. Therefore, hence proved. Okay, clear? So let us see the next question. If 4 tan theta is equals to 3, we need to evaluate 4 sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by 4 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Okay. So from here, if 4 tan theta is equals to 3, what will be the tan theta value? It will be 3 by 4. Yes. See, we need to find 4 sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by 4 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. See here we know tan theta, right? So if we divide sin by cos, we get tan theta, right? So we'll just divide the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So you will get 4 tan theta minus, this will be 1 minus 1 by cos is plus secant theta divided by 4 tan theta plus this will be 1 minus secant theta. So we know the values of tan theta. So we need to find secant theta also. Okay. So we have an identity that is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. Yes. So we know 1 plus tan is 3 square by 4 square, which is 1 plus 9 by 16. You will get 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 by 16. If you want secant theta, which will be root of 25 by 16 will be 5 by 4. So the value of secant theta will be 5 by 4. Okay. Now put in the values here. 4 into tan theta is 3 by 4 minus 1 plus secant theta is 5 by 4 divided by 4 into tan is 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 5 by 4. 4 will get cancelled. Here also 4 will get cancelled. See, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 5 by 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 5 by 4. You will get, if you take the LCM here, you will get 8 plus 5 by 4, and in the denominator you will get 16 minus 5 by 4. Here 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So the answer will be 8 plus 5 is 13 by 16 minus 5 is 11. 13 by 11 is the answer. Okay. So let us do the next problem. Prove that square root of secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1 plus root of secant theta plus 1 by secant theta minus 1 is equals to 2 cosecant theta. Okay. So let us take LHS first. So see here, I am just individually dividing the square roots. I am just individually dividing the roots to the numerator and denominator. Now I'll just take LCM here. This will be root of secant plus 1 and root of secant theta minus 1. See the denominator, you have secant theta plus 1 and secant theta plus 1. So you will multiply root of secant theta minus 1 to the numerator of root of secant theta minus 1. So you will get root of secant theta minus 1 whole square plus, so see the denominator, you have root of secant theta minus 1 and you have root of secant theta minus 1. So you will multiply root of secant theta plus 1 to root of secant theta plus 1, which is in the numerator. You will get root of secant theta plus 1 whole square. Okay. So which is the roots and square will get cancelled. Okay. So this will be secant theta minus 1 plus secant theta plus 1 divided by root of secant theta plus 1 into root of secant theta minus 1, which is root of secant square theta minus 1. So from here 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Okay. So which is 2 secant theta. In the denominator we have root of secant square theta is tan theta. Okay. Now 2 into, so we can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta. Correct. Now this is like 1 by tan theta. Yes, 1 by tan theta is, what is 1 by tan theta? It is cot theta. So cot theta I can write it as cos theta by sin theta, which is 2 into 1 by sin theta. What is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. So which is 2 into cosecant theta. This is what we need to prove it in the RHS. Yes. So therefore proved. So let us solve the next question. Prove that 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta is equals to cot theta. So let us take LHS first. What is the LHS? It is 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta by sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. Okay. So from the numerator, let us take cos theta common. If you take cos theta common, you will get 2 cos square theta minus 1. Yes. And from the denominator, if you take sin theta common, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos theta, 2 cos square theta. I am taking it as cos square theta plus cos square theta, which becomes 2 cos square theta. Okay. Minus 1 divided by sin theta 1 minus, this is also same. Minus 2 sin square theta is minus sin square theta and minus sin square theta. Sin square theta minus sin square theta is minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. So we have an identity. Cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So if we want cos square theta minus 1, which is minus sin square theta. Cos theta into cos square theta plus, here we have cos square theta minus 1, which is minus sin square theta. Minus sin square theta divided by sin theta into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Which is, here this will get cancelled. Cos by sin is cot theta. Okay. This is what we need to prove in the RHS. So hence proved.